Hello, happy Friday, third grade. We are going to be working with word problems today by adding 3 numbers up to 4 digits. So let's read our first word problem. Leo bought candy at the candy store. He bought 4 cinnamon bears, 41 gummy worms, and 5,951 lemon drops. How many pieces of candy did he buy in all? So we know he bought 4 cinnamon bears, 41 gummy worms, and 5,951 lemon candy. We want to know all of them together to figure out our total. So the first thing I'm doing is adding up. Here's my 4 cinnamon bears, my 41 gummy worms, and my 5,951 lemon drops. And I noticed that I lined up my ones places together, my tens placed together, my hundreds, and my thousands placed together. So I'm always going to start by adding all of my ones together. So 4 plus 1 plus 1. So I can count out by doing dots here. 4, 5, 6. And then 4 plus 5. I'm moving on to my tens. Now I can do this with my fingers if I'd want. Starting at the bigger number 5, counting to my 4th finger. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then there's nothing else above my thousands place, just the 9, so I bring it down, and the 5 in my hundreds and my thousands place. So now I added all 3 numbers together, so 5,996 is my total amount of candy. All right, let's do one more example together. So we're going to read down here. Daryl bought some airplane tickets for trips all over the world. He spent $4,518 on a flight to Japan, $2,149 on a flight to Norway, and $2,603 on a flight to Argentina. How much money did Daryl spend in all? So now I have to add up all of my numbers. So my first number is 4,518 for the flight to Japan. And the next ticket was $2,149 on a flight to Norway, so I need to make sure it adds up. My thousands place, hundreds, tens, and ones place all need to match. So I'm writing them right underneath neatly, so when I add them, it's just going to be straight down. And then 2,603 on a flight to Argentina. So these are the 3 flights that were bought, and now I'm going to add them all together to figure out the total. So again, if I want, I have 8 plus 9 plus 3, so I can draw my 8 dots, and then my 9 dots, and then 3 dots, and I can count them all to figure out the answer if that helps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I know my 0 goes here, and I have to put my 2 over here and regroup. So that's my ones place. Now I add my tens place. 0 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2. Again, I can also go with my fingers. I can start at 4, go up 5, and then my 2, 6, 7. Now I'm adding my hundreds place, so 5 plus 1 plus 6, so I can do this as well if I want with my fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and our 1, 12. So my 2 goes here, and I regroup my 1. And now we're just going to add our thousands place together. So 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. So I know 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. So in total, Daryl spent $9,270. So this is the total money on airplane tickets. So remember to take your time as you go through each problem. Make sure to add up your spaces. Your ones need to be in a line, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And take your time adding. You can draw dots or you can use your fingers to help go up. And have a good rest of your day. Happy Friday!